begin with updates from the Parliament. Both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned shortly after reconvening on the opening day of the monsoon session due to heavy sloganeering and protests by opposition MPs. Following the uproar, proceedings in both the houses were suspended.
प्रश्नकाल के अंदर नारेबाजी करना, तख्तियां लहराना उचित नहीं है। आप सब वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं, प्लीज आपसे आग्रह है कि अपनी सीट पर बैठें, सदन चलाने में सहयोग करें। सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलाना चाहते, चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
The Lok Sabha, the House was first adjourned till noon. Remember, after reconvening at noon, proceedings lasted for just 7 minutes before the House was adjourned once again amid heavy sloganeering by the opposition members. Presiding over the House in the absence of Speaker Om Birla during the second sitting, BJP MP Dilip Saikia urged members to allow the Parliament to function and take up pressing national issues.
अर्जुन राम मेघवाल, आइटम नंबर 6।
चेयरपर्सन सर, मैं आपकी अनुमति से
जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में वहां।
Similar scenes were also witnessed in the upper house of the Parliament, leading to repeated adjournments. However, opposition members continued their sloganeering and protests, bringing proceedings to a standstill on the opening day of the session. The Lok Sabha was adjourned till 3 p.m. and the Rajya Sabha was adjourned for the day. Leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, raised the NEET undergraduate 2026 paper leak issue, saying that it concerns the future of lakhs of students. He repeated the same while speaking with reporters outside the Parliament as well. Take a listen.
We have given already notice and spoke about that. The NEET examination, which has taken several lives, and government is not taking care of students, और ये तो students को मारने का काम सरकार कर रही है.
Now, ahead of the monsoon session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the session should run smoothly. He said that every voice should get an opportunity to be heard and stressed that where there are facts, there is no need for chaos. The Prime Minister also hailed the country's recent achievements, including the successful launch of India's first privately launched rocket.
एक महीने में देश ने अनेक सिद्धियां प्राप्त की है और देशवासी गर्व से भर जाए, इस प्रकार की सिद्धियों का सिलसिला चला है। चाहे राष्ट्रीय हो, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हो और अब तो अंतरिक्ष भी हो, एक प्रकार से भारत के लिए गर्व के पल रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, the opposition said that it wants to hold the Modi government accountable on issues including alleged irregularities in Ram Mandir donations, exam paper leaks, the ethanol blending policy, and other matters impacting the public. The monsoon session of the Parliament, remember, began today and it will continue till the 13th of August. And our correspondent Siddharth Sibbal has sent us this report from near the Parliament, where chaos not only ensued inside but also outside. Take a look.
Protesters are present here in full force in central Delhi. You can see many of them chanting as well. The authorities are also taking no chances. Huge presence of security personnel on the ground in central Delhi. Also, since morning, around Jantar Mantar where protests have been happening, and at the spot of protest, Jantar Mantar, there have been growing numbers of protesters who have been gathering as well. Of course, there is an internet shutdown as well. And metro also was closed in this part of Delhi. Of course, as I've said, that authorities don't want to take any chances. Of course, they tried to remove many of the protesters as well, but they've come back again. Overall, the situation remains quite precarious on ground. Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.